guys, look what I just made. I created such a cute room decor. And you can also make it for your room. If you want to learn how to make it, make sure you watch the video till the end because I've put in a lot of effort. First, you'll need some cardboard. And for hanging, you can use wire, thread, or anything you have. Even a simple string works. Then guys, I assembled all the parts one by one and inserted them into the thread. After that, I made a super cute little face, so adorable. I can't even explain. I also added a little blush to make it look even cuter. And finally, my God guys, it turned out so beautiful. Just look at this. Wow!
सितारे सितारे मिले हैं तुम्हारे बस तुमसे मिल